Hey guys, here's wishing you a very happy Bihu. On the occasion of Bihu, I thought why not prepare a mandatory recipe. And today we are going to cook this amazingly delicious dal with raw mango and drumsticks. This recipe also marks the onset of mangoes, which grows to only about 2 to 3 inch size in Northeast India, unlike the one that I'm using today since I live in southern part of India, and so are with the drumsticks, which are generally eaten when tender, but here in Bangalore, people prefer them fleshy. And that's what we get in the market. The ingredients required for this yummy dal are red lentils, raw mango, drumsticks, cumin seeds, garlic cloves, turmeric powder, dried red chilies, salt and mustard oil. Now let's start cooking. Soak your red lentils for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse it thoroughly. Now chop your raw mango into chunky slices and the drumsticks into 3-inch length. Now take a pressure cooker, add your soaked lentils, drumsticks, raw mango, turmeric powder and salt as per taste. Add 2 cups of water. Cover the lid and let it whistle up to 3 times. Once the steam is released, add water if required and reheat it again. For the tempering, heat oil in a deep pan. Once hot, add your cumin seeds, garlic cloves and dried red chilies. Saute them for 30 seconds. Then add the lentil soup into the pan. Stir it well and let it cook until you achieve a consistency of your choice. And here you go, our delicious mango dal is ready. The lentil dish is flavored by the tangy mango and the drumsticks adds a beautiful texture, filling it with a punch of nutrition and yumminess. The dal is a perfect company on a hot summer day with some steamed rice, and I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and see you soon.